Welcome. In this video we will create a basic magazine quotation. We begin by selecting our customer and creating a new estimate. I should point out that where the customer has more than one contact, you can choose that contact from the drop-down list as shown, and their mobile number, if one is present, will be displayed underneath. If not, the landline number will be displayed if they have a landline number. We begin by entering the magazine description. When the description is complete, we will enter the paper for our estimate. I will select the 170 gram for the inner pages. We will include 5 sheets, that's 4 pages per sheet, that will be our 20 pages. And then for the cover we will select simply 1 sheet. This will be printed digitally and all pages will be trimmed, so I will choose guillotine as the first finishing option. In circumstances where a finishing option is applied to a single row, we select that row first and then add the finishing option. Note that finishing option 2 scoring is applied to print row 2, and we will saddle stitch this job. Note that finishing can be applied to all sheets within a row or to a single sheet. This is a preference setting. Here, if I open the saddle stitch finishing option, note the checkbox to the left of the units or sheets per hour. When this is selected, the finishing option is applied to the quantity and the number of sheets is ignored. For this quotation, we will add a design per page. We will remove the design time and click the extras button as shown. Here we can enter a description as design per page or page design. We will enter the quantity of pages, which in this case is 24, and a cost for each page, which I will include at 35. For this we will not include our standard margin, so we will click the specific margin and leave that at 0, as 35 is the full amount we will charge per page for design for this magazine. When auto packaging is selected, the application will automatically calculate the number of boxes required for each quantity and include those. If we wish to save this job as a template and reuse it again rather than re-entering the details, we can simply enter a template name and then tick the Save as Template checkbox before we calculate the job. I should point out that if we do not wish to quote for all 6 quantities, we can click the small minus button to the right of a quantity, and it and each other quantity to the right will be automatically removed. If we would like to include a unit cost in our quotation, simply click the unit cost checkbox as shown. The unit cost is automatically applied to the quotation, as we can see here in the email PDF. To send the email, simply select it from the emailer and click the Send Selected Email button as shown. The session history will record all sent emails. If the email fails to send, an error message will be recorded instead, but the email will remain in the email list view. And to show you that our email template has been saved, we can simply click the template drop-down list, and here you can see it is listed as the bottom option. Even though you might not use this exact template, you can nevertheless open any line and edit that line and resave it. Also worth noting is that when we calculate an estimate for a customer, their estimate or quotation list is automatically updated. Note the magazine quotation is at the bottom of that list. And if we didn't create our email quotation at the time of calculation, we can simply select the email quotation from this list. And as you can see, our email is automatically created and ready to send. So in this video I have explained how to create a basic magazine quotation. For more information I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on explorepixels.com. Thank you.